How Hunter children to do today? We're glad Hunter to join me one more again for this year Gullah Geechee Nayshun News. Well, look, y'all, Hunter children to see this young gal and plenty and other rest of show and thing like that. They're out to do it work. This year we minister information Elder Carlie Towne for the Gullah Geechee Nation. This your gal from a place we call it Creek.
Yes.
Gullah Creek.
How Hunter do today?
We're glad for being here with you to do well. How Hunter to do?
I'm doing fine, Queen.
Oh,
I'm just so happy to be here with you.
Oh, so glad Hunter to day, yeah. But we know you got something to clean up at Moja.
Yes, I do. I have a play coming up for Moja, and it's going to be October 3rd,
Okay.
and that's going to be a Saturday night at the church. It's called Circular Congregation on 150 Meeting Street.
Oh, right down in Charleston. Right downtown.
Right downtown. It's from 7 to 8 p.m.
All right. And what's the name of the play this year?
It's Diary from the Neck, Gullah Geechee Matriarch.
Oh, stop with that.
Yeah, we got to talk about and all the things we do.
Okay, the diary from the neck.
Yes.
You got to explain that now.
Okay, the Diary from the Neck actually is a story about Union Heights. Union
Okay.
Heights is known as the Neck.
Mm-hmm. And that's downtown, like right outside of the city, right?
Right,
Mhm.
exactly. It connects North Charleston to the city of Charleston.
Gotcha.
And that's why we call them the Neck.
Neck. That makes sense.
Right.
Mhm.
And I'm talking about the people there, the women there,
Mhm.
and how they have been able to inspire
Yes.
and to educate others about who they are.
Okay.
Yeah,
We
so-
done young.
Yes, that's
Yes,
right, that's
yes,
right.
Yes.
And you know
yes.
what? The person that's doing it is an elderly woman called Nana.
Okay.
She's the one that needs and have to pass down the information about the Gullah Geechees,
Right.
because the young people didn't seem to know about it.
Right. Right.
But we gonna get them educated too. Sassafras is the young woman.
Oh, stop the
Yes.
noise, stop the noise. So now, even with sassafras now, a lot of people aren't familiar with it, but we drink sassafras tea.
Exactly.
So that's a perfect name for the character.
Yes.
I guess you're going to be adding a little flavor into the production.
Yes,
with
yes.
sassafras being
Yes.
there, right? I figured that.
Because see, Sassafras is just that. She goes to the College of Charleston.
Oh.
So, she's still learning about her
About her
culture.
culture and
She's
stuff.
reading a book.
Oh, really? Like
Yeah.
so many do.
Yes.
And they feel that after they've read that one book or seen that one DVD, they know all about Gullah Geechee.
Exactly.
Oh, yes, I
But
understand.
when Nana gets through telling her about her rich culture,
For truth.
she gonna be very, very surprised to know who she really is.
Okay, and who he done for truth.
That's right.
All right, well, that sounds great. So from the neck, diary from the neck.
And now we also have Peaches.
Okay, and what's the peaches now? Peaches for Nampon or peaches to somebody do any place?
No, Peaches is the woman that is Nana's daughter, granddaughter.
Okay, granddaughter.
And Peaches is the caregiver.
All right.
We have so many people that are caregivers, and I
Absolutely.
wanted to reflect on that
Mhm.
and let people see what the caregiver goes through
Okay.
when they're taking care of the elderly.
All right.
And
And
so-
that is a key part of the Gullah Geechee culture.
Exactly.
Is to actually still keep the people at home and
Yes.
nurture and all that instead of just ship them off,
Yes.
and put them into, as they call them, old folks home and those kind of things. So that's
True.
interesting.
Yeah,
Mhm.
so Peaches and Nana has this dialogue,
Okay.
and she enlightens Peaches about who she is,
Okay.
and to appreciate where she is,
Right, and where she
and
comes
have
from.
courage,
Mm-hmm.
and be inspired that things will not always stay the same.
That's a good thing. That's a
So-
good thing.
I'm kind of excited. I have a very
Yeah.
wonderful cast.
Oh, yes, I can only imagine.
Yes, yes.
And I'm looking forward to hearing more about the production since I won't be able to see for myself
Yes,
this year
yes.
since I'll be flying elsewhere. But I hope to look at the tapes and so on when I
Okay.
come back because I want to see what this your peach and this sassafras
I
and
know,
them
right?
do.
I know, right? Got all the food up in
And
there.
food and drink.
And, Sweet Mouth, we can't leave out the
stop with
man.
the Sweet mouth.
Sweet Mouth is
Yeah.
just like what I
What
say.
him?
He got a sweet mouth.
I know it.
Yes.
Go ahead.
So, but that's
So
not-
ladies, y'all can get that one. I hope
That's
we
right.
ain't have to explain that
That's
one.
exactly right. So, but he understands later on in life that he has to be complacent, and he has to actually be able to appreciate who he is also.
Mhm.
And he's been going back and forth,
Okay.
and now he realizes that he has to come and be the man that he is.
Okay, right, and break out of the
Yeah.
complacency and be more active and be involved.
Exactly.
That's a good thing.
exactly.
That's
And
a
so
good thing.
Peaches is kind of happy because she got
She
your man
get,
back.
she get the sweet mouth
Yeah.
back. Okay.
And Nana said, I knew that bucklefoot boy was coming back.
Okay then. Even doing that, I better try for a run.
I know.
So it's great. It sounds like it's a wonderful production. And so folks, can they get tickets online at Ticketmaster, or how do they get tickets if they want to get them in advance?
Well, they can get tickets at Ticketmaster. That's the only way. And then they can pay at the door.
Okay, and you can also pay at the door. And definitely some of y'all will recognize her. She is also the founder of the Gullah Geechee Angel Network. So this is just one of the things that the Angel Network does every year at Moja. And it's going to be October the 3rd, 7 p.m., right?
Yes.
The Circular Congregation Church. So y'all need to get some shouting Gwine on.
That's right.
This year, the what Gwine on for truth. Take care of the Carlie, Towne. We going to see you there with sweet mouth, peaches, sassafras, and all on October 3rd, gal in Moja.
And y'all come on and join us.
Yes, ma'am.
Peace and blessings.
Peace and blessings, y'all.